Transformation isn't just physical, it's about reshaping how you feel, inside and out. Introducing Shapeshifter, our proven blueprints for building muscle, shedding weight, and gaining confidence along the way. Whether your goal is to bulk up, lean down, or simply become stronger, Shapeshifter has a plan for you, tailored specifically for men and women. These blueprints provide the perfect roadmap for your transformation. For men, the Spartan Blueprint builds muscle and strength, forging the body of a warrior. For women, the Amazon Blueprint carves strength, power, and definition, enhancing the body's natural potential. With 8 programs, 4 for men, 4 for women, you can choose a blueprint that fits your schedule. Whether it's a 3-day, 4-day, or even a 6-day routine, we've got you covered. And for those ready to push even further, our AM/PM split workouts are designed for maximum growth and results. It's not just about the workouts. It's about following a plan that's proven to work. Our blueprints give you the structure and guidance to change your body and your mindset. Strength, power, confidence. No matter where you start, Shapeshifter takes you to the next level.